Alrighty, y'all, as we go into April here in a bang, GFS models have shown going through Oklahoma possible severe weather outbreak at the beginning of April. We could see hail, flooding, and tornadoes possible all throughout April 1st through 4th. The greatest tornado threat is in central Oklahoma and South Carolina, where Carolinas and Missouri could see partial flash flooding, which could affect daily travel and possibly houses, buildings, and businesses. Not to mention our greatest threat, tornadoes, which could be deadly to people who without shelter. Which is our greatest concern here in Tornado Alley, Dixie Alley, and the East Coast here. So an upper level jet stream is pushing this cold Arctic air down into the Great Plains region, causing a warm, cold boundary, in turn causing this low pressure with convective updraft. And this paired with Cape convective available potential energy, which is how much air is being pushed up, and along with a CINH convection inhabilitation, which is downforce of air. So that's pretty much all this instability that we need for severe weather to happen, which is the biggest force needed. So if we look at the sounding here, we can see just pretty much how the atmosphere is going to look like. And it pretty much gives us an idea of what's going to happen in a way if we, study this sounding. So now we're going to switch to my favorite part, the severe weather guidance models. So the CSU MLP 5-day outlook is showing a 0.47% hatched for Arkansas and Missouri. Along with that paired, the SPC shows a 5-day outlook, which is, pretty concerning that the SPC is warning out that far. So it's about a 15% chance, which is a bit high, in my opinion. Also, the SNPS model shows parts of Oklahoma and Missouri where severe weather is most likely. So with this data and other sources of data I've collected here, I've created my own outlook map. So this is where I believe we have the most potential to see severe weather, including strong tornadoes. So what you can do, well, be prepared. Visit ready.gov to help make a plan. And if the worst case does happen, and I'll be live on twitter/x.com at andrewtheweatherguy, and I'll be streaming as long as I can. And you gotta make sure, monitor local National Weather Service offices, and latest forecasts and warnings will be also on there. And be sure to grab a NOAA weather radio. Midland has a bunch of great ones. And not to mention, visit andrewtheweatherguy.org to see forecast and weather infographics, about tornadoes and how to be safe with those. So when we get closer to the event, I'll be posting maybe another video, and I'll definitely be posting on twitter/x. So be ready, y'all. This could be a doozy for Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri. So be prepared and be safe, y'all.